I have just received by NUBWO the G08 headset. They sent us this unit for our review, and I'm pretty excited to try it out. I already turned it on just because I was so excited, and I can't wait to show you guys. Of course, the headset, it's a gaming headset, essentially with the microphone right there. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. As soon as you put it up, it is out of function, but like right there, microphone. Of course, gaming, yes, but if you're in conference calls or if you're just answering phones, you can do so. And let me turn it on for you because what I'm excited about, it's so trivial, but so much fun. Check out this little light that I will show you. Oh, right here. Oh, that was the wrong button, right here. That's the power button. And look at that. Got some RGB lighting. I'm a sucker for those lights, and I love them so much. As soon as you put them on, I mean, right off the bat, it is not a noise-canceling headphone, but I do feel kind of completely englobed in whatever I will be doing, whether it's computer work or gaming. Super nice. But the really cool thing is the dongle that they provide you with. This looks like a normal dongle, but it is not. This is a USB dongle, as you can see here. But if I just do this, it separates, and this becomes a dongle for your phone or for your tablet. USB-C right there. What does that mean? That means that you can seamlessly go from whatever device this is connected, whether a computer, a gaming console, a PS5, a PS4, an Xbox, done. But then you can seamlessly, you get a phone call, seamlessly go from your game to your phone call on your phone without missing a beat. That's really cool because it's connected to both units at the same time. Love that. If you don't want to connect it, no problem. They do provide you with the 3.5 millimeter cable, of course, and the charger because it does charge with USB-C. The actual drivers on here are 50 millimeter drivers, so super nice bass, super nice trebles. It is a fantastic fit as well. As you can see, right, I love the fact that it's super snug. It is not heavy at all, very light, super comfortable. Can't wait to try that out.